4-ingredient juice recipe to lower blood sugar naturally. Diabetes occurs when your blood glucose or blood sugar levels are too high. The blood glucose is the main source of energy, and blood glucose comes from the food you eat. Our pancreas is responsible for the production of insulin, a hormone that helps transfer the glucose from food into your cells and can be used as energy. In some cases, our body does not make enough or just doesn't use insulin as it is supposed to use. In these cases, glucose stays in the blood and it can't reach the cells. Hence, this leads to various health problems. Even though there is no cure for diabetes, you should do everything in your power to manage it and try to stay healthy. For that purpose, we have a natural drink that will help you to lower your blood sugar levels. Follow the instructions below and don't hesitate to try it. Recipe. Needed ingredients: 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, 1 green apple, spinach 3 handful. Directions. First of all, you should wash the ingredients. Peel the carrots and apple and remove the apple seeds. Put the ingredients in a blender and blend them. As simple as that. The benefits of the ingredients. Spinach. Spinach is an excellent source of beta-carotene, calcium, vitamin A and vitamin C. It is scientifically shown that spinach contains nitrates that can lower the amount of oxygen necessary for energy. After consuming spinach, your muscles need less oxygen to make energy. In addition, they are more efficient. Spinach is safe to consume because it is low on the glycemic index. This means that it will not lead to spikes in your blood glucose levels. Celery. Celery is rich in magnesium and potassium, both of which are extremely important for treating and preventing high blood pressure. Celery is used as a natural remedy for treating various inflammatory diseases. People with type 2 diabetes are more likely to experience joint and bone disorders and heart diseases. So, to prevent these health conditions, make sure to consume celery on a regular basis. Carrots. Carrots possess potent antioxidants that can prevent diabetes and vision problems in diabetics. Our body converts beta-carotene to vitamin A, a vitamin that is extremely helpful for treating type 2 diabetes. Green apples. Apples have a high content of malic acid, known for its ability to lower the blood sugar levels. How to consume this drink? It is recommended to consume this drink every morning, on an empty stomach. Due to the minerals it possesses, this drink can significantly lower your sugar levels and your blood pressure.